Hello everyone, welcome back to Knowledge Elevator. My name is Tariq Rahim, and in this quick tutorial I am going to show you how you can turn picture into a vector. It's really easy. You can do it in Canva in just few minutes. First of all, just log into Canva. When you log into Canva, just click on your picture, and then on the left panel you can see there is option available apps. Just simply click on apps, and then you can see in the fourth row there is option of tracer. Simply click on tracer option. When you click on tracer and proceed with your picture, so now you can see there is the option of black and white, and there is another option of trace image and start over. So simply click on black and white option and then trace image. So it will take a while, and you will see your results that will be there. So it's your trace effect that is applied on your picture. But if you think that it's too much, simply reduce it a little bit from the option that is over there. You can control this from threshold, so you can do your adjustment from here. And when you finalize your picture, your trace effect, from the bottom threshold option, so you can also add some more design if you want. So simply click on add design. Now you can see there is your original picture and after trace effect, both are available in a frame. So now you can do comparison. If you think that it's done, so simply click on share option and download your picture in high quality. You can increase and decrease the quality. Now I will move toward another feature which is very amazing when it comes to Canva AI features. So how you can generate AI background to your picture. So simply upload your picture in Canva. After that, click on your picture, and at the top there is option of edit. Simply click on edit option. There is another option on the left panel, background generator, near background remover. Like first option is background remover, the second is background generator. So when you click on that, you will find there is option where you can write your prompt. So I write a prompt here that I created by using ChatGPT. So you can also create according to your own interest. So according to your prompt, they will add background to your picture. So I will click on generate. If I think that my prompt is okay, I can proceed it further. So now you can see according to my text, they add a background. So after that, they will also give you 4 options through which you can adjust your background a little bit more. So it's really something amazing when it comes to Canva AI features. And beside that, you can do some more editing if you want. Simply click on picture, and at the top there is edit option. So when you click on that, there is more options available, like you can edit text, you can edit background again. So for example, I'm going to edit background. I will click on background, and now you can see at the bottom there is more options where I can adjust background a little bit more. Like I can adjust brightness, contrast, highlights, and temperature. All these things I can do from here if I want to edit this picture further. So this is really something amazing and very simple. So I will move toward another feature of Canva. Another amazing feature of Canva is how you can expand your picture in Canva. So simply upload your picture, and when you upload your picture, simply click on the picture and drag that to the corner. But if you do that again, you can see the shape of your picture it is disturbed, and it's not look very good. So what you can do, simply click on your picture, and at the top there is option of crop. Simply click on that crop option, and when you click at the left, you can see there is another option, crop and expand. So we are not going to crop our picture, so we are going to expand this. Simply click on expand, and they will give you three options when it comes to aspect ratio, like 1 by 1, 9:16, 9:9, whole page, free form. So there is multiple options over there. What you want, simply click on that. For example, I'm going to proceed it with whole page, so I will click on that, and it will take a while. And after that, now you can see they expand my picture very well. So they expand perfectly, and add flowers at the corner, which is giving a very amazing look to my picture, and I really like it. And I believe that you will be happy if you proceed with this feature when it comes to Canva. It's really easy and it's really very effective when it comes to editing. So for that, you don't need any designing and any editing skills. Canva AI will do it for you in just few minutes. I will move toward another feature of Canva, which is about guides you. So for that, what you will do, simply create a blank page in Canva for yourself, and if you want to arrange everything perfectly on a blank page, simply click on that and go to setting, and there is option of add guides, and simply click on that. Now you can see there is options of 12 columns, 3 columns, 3 by 3 grid, and custom. So a custom means you can edit, you can generate columns and gaps, margin, everything for yourself manually. So if I click on this, so now you can see there is adjustment options available over there. So but for now I will proceed this with 3 by 3. So now I have a perfect frame available over there. What I can do, I will add some icons here. So I will click on elements, and then after clicking on elements, there is a search bar. What you want to add, what you want to search here, you can do it. For example, I'm going to put icon of Instagram, so I will write here Instagram. So you can see there is icon of Instagram. I will add this and all spaces here that I have. So you can see you can do arrangement, you can do adjustment here. It's really simple, and you have complete control of editing here. So it's also, you can see in sequence and proper lines. That's all from my side. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video, hit the bell icon and subscribe Knowledge Elevator. Have a good day. Enjoy your time.